Thank you for taking the time to learn about RiskWatch. We offer a comprehensive risk assessment platform that can be utilized for your physical security, cybersecurity, compliance, vendor management, supplier management, and client management needs. More than anything, our software allows you to understand risks and their potential impact on business, map your needs to available resources, and understand metrics behind security suggestions. Please note that our platform is fully customizable, which allows you to meet the needs of any industry. As such, the terminology we use today, such as asset, can easily be changed to location, system, or any other verbiage or naming convention you currently use. RiskWatch can be used to determine risk to your operations and upstream compliance with any of our provided assessment criteria and checklists for relevant regulations or standards. We have over 35 libraries that we regularly update for your use, or our specialists can work with you to develop any custom content you may need. The platform workflow begins with creating an asset that you want to evaluate. Next, you'll select survey questions that are appropriate for your assessment. Remember that we can provide these for you, and you can customize any of our provided content. Then you'll create and complete your assessment. Assessments can be sent to anyone with an email address. Upon completion, you'll be able to assign tasks and manage remediation to mitigate any identified risk, security gaps, or non-compliance. Finally, automated reporting and analytics will help you visualize and organize your assessment results and open actions. Now that you have a brief understanding of the platform's function, we'll take a look at the software. Here on the dashboard, you're able to do powerful comparative analytics and generate reports identifying risk and compliance for individual assets within an organizational unit, timeframes, or other customizable groupings. At a glance, see your trending overall and average risk and compliance scores. Click on the charts to see specific assets. Towards the bottom of the dashboard, you'll see all tasks. Task reminders are being automated here, so there's no action required unless you receive a notification. But you can click to see each task, its priority, and its due date. For more information, click on the View Details button to see which individuals are involved and any comments, documents, or general updates with the task. To the right, you can easily visualize the progress being made on all assessments by your personnel or respondents. Again, more details are available. Our platform manages customizable, automated email reminders to both the assessment administrators and the survey respondents to give updates, reminders, or alerts. To send a custom email, click on the email icon to open a draft. When you begin, you'll create an assessment for an individual asset or groups of assets that must meet similar requirements. To the right, select your question categories. Our content libraries are provided out of the box for use in your assessments. You can upload your own standards and requirements into the application. Now notice our Clone Assessment button. When it's time for your next assessment, use our cloning workflow to reuse question responses, recommendations, and remedial tasks from your last assessment to save your team time. Next, you or your team will be guided to perform the assessment survey. As responses are provided to a survey, analysis of those responses occurs automatically, adjusting and updating a real-time risk score for each asset being assessed. With each question answered, you have the ability to upload any supplemental documents or add a recommendation, as well as the expected cost for that recommendation. To review an assessment, move over to the Analysis tab. Select your assessment and filter to see the results. From this window, you can view recommendations to survey responses and create a task. When a recommendation is offered or edited, the platform will remember this recommendation and auto-offer it in your next assessment. You'll then be guided to the Reports tab. Use our customizable reporting templates to have any report come out of the application instantly. Save tens of hours that you would otherwise spend collecting data from different sources and manually writing your report. Simply click Generate, and out comes a polished report, populated with data and ready for review. Your report can be customized right in the platform, letting you display scores for assets, a gap summary, question responses, any calculations, compliance, or whatever you would like your report to present. You can then save your design as a template for future use. Your report can be configured to automatically pull data from our partners, such as CAP Index or Security Gauge. You can also pull data from internal databases or other sources. Remember, as progress begins, monitor assessments and action items by using our dashboard. Here, you'll see the current status of assessments or activities and track how risk is reducing or compliance is improving over time. RiskWatch standardizes your assessment functions, providing trending analysis and any benchmarking of data over time. Our platform is capable of saving you up to 80% of the time you spend performing assessments. Schedule a call or demonstration today to discuss how we can help you improve your program using RiskWatch.